Hello students, I am Parvesh Kumar from Golden Public School. Today in this video I am going to explain the second chapter of your book First Flight. The name of the chapter is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. This is part 1B. In part A, I have explained the chapter up to paragraph 4. Now, in this video, you will get the explanation from paragraph 5. Let's start the video. Dear students, in the first video of this chapter, we read about the speech of Nelson Mandela. Here the speech continues. Nelson Mandela is speaking. Let us read the text. We have at last achieved our political emancipation. Here Nelson Mandela tells that they had achieved their political freedom. We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty, deprivation, suffering, gender, and other discrimination. Dear student, under the rule of white and under the system of apartheid, blacks were discriminated, they were poor, they suffered a lot, they were discriminated. So Nelson Mandela mentioned here that they pledged themselves to liberate all their people from the continuing bondage of poverty, depression, suffering, gender, and other discrimination which was prevailing in the rule of white. Here, never, never, and never again shall it be that this beautiful land will again experience the oppression of one by another. Here Nelson Mandela mentioned that that beautiful land, that means Africa, would never experience the oppression of one by the another. That means he said that there will be no discrimination on the land of Africa. The sun shall never set on so glorious a human achievement. Actually, it was a glorious human achievement for them, for Africans, that they had got freedom. Here Nelson Mandela mentions that the sun shall not set. Let freedom reign. God bless Africa. Then Nelson Mandela says, God shower his blessing on Africa. Let us see the word meaning here. Emancipation, freedom from restrictions, deprivation, the damaging lack of material benefits considering to be basic necessities in a society. Discrimination, the unjust treatment of different categories people. Oppression, prolonged cruel or unjust treatment or exercise for authorities. Now let us see the explanation of this text. Nelson Mandela mentions that after great struggle, they have finally achieved political freedom. His government promised to free everyone of the still existing poverty, hardship, and inequalities of all kinds, along with assuring everyone of a country where no community will be considered inferior. He then exclaimed that freedom should rule and may God shower his blessings on their land. Now the text from the book. A few moments later, we all lift our eyes in awe as a spectacular array of South African jets, helicopters, and troops carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union Building. Just after Nelson Mandela's speech, they lifted their eyes toward the sky where African jets, helicopters, and troop carriers roared in perfect formation over the Union buildings. It was not only a display of pinpoint precision and military force, but a demonstration of the military's loyalty to democracy, to a new government that had been freely and fairly elected. Here Nelson Mandela mentions or says that this display was not only for the perfect order or complete display of military force, but it was the demonstration of the military's loyalty to the democracy, to the new government who was elected freely and fairly. Only moments before the highest generals of South African Defence Force and Police, their chests bedecked with ribbons and medals from days gone by, saluted me and pledged their loyalties. Nelson Mandela here mentioned that the generals of South African Defence Force or Police who chest bear the ribbons and medals of their braveries, saluted him and pledged their loyalties. I was not unmindful of the fact that not so many years before there would not have saluted but arrested me. Here Nelson Mandela remembered his past when he was struggling for freedom. These generals did not salute him but arrested him. But now the time had changed. Finally, a chevron of Impala jet left a smoke trail of the black, red, green, blue, and gold of the new South African flag. Here he mentioned that a pattern in the shape of V finally formed by Impala jets with the smoke of having black, red, green, blue and golden color, which are the color of new South African flag. Now let's go explanation. Just after newly elected president's address to the audience, an impressive arrangement of fighters jets, helicopters and soldiers, transporters raised everyone's heads up in the sky. It symbolized perfection as well as military's respect and obedience toward the free country, the high commanders who have won medals for their bravery also saluted and promised their loyalty. Mandela mentions that he was well aware that these commanders who were now saluting him would have arrested him under the previous rule as during the oppressive white supremacy. He was considered to be a criminal. The year so finally ended by making of South African flag in the sky from smoke beneath the jet. Now the text from the textbook. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthem and the vision of white singing Nkosi Sikel Africa and black singing the same, the old anthem of the Republic. Nelson Mandela says that they were symbolized for him by playing two national anthems, one for the vision of white and other for the blacks. Although that day neither group knew the lyrics of the anthem they once despite, they would soon know the word by heart. Here, despise means had a very low opinion of. Now let's see the explanation of the text. Here, the author or Nelson Mandela remembers the day as the playing of two national anthems of the country, one of the whites and other that of the blacks. On that day, no one knew the wordings of the anthems of the blacks, but Mandela was confident that everyone would soon learn this anthem that they once hated. The text from the textbook. On the day of the inauguration, I was overwhelmed with a sense of history. In the first decade of the 20th century, a few years after the bitter Anglo-Boer War end, as a result, one of the world's most brutal and inhuman society was born. This began even before he was born. This system created an atmosphere of extremely cruelty and injustice for a particular part of the community. Here Nelson Mandela describing about the apartheid system which was imposed by the white on Africa. Now when he is in his 8th decade as a man, he along with countless others have changed this entire system. That means now the system has been changed. Now there is no discrimination in South Africa on the basis of race. They treated humans as humans irrespective of their color, caste, gender, or age. Now, the system has been adopted which don't discriminate on the basis of color, caste, gender, or age. Now, text from book. That day had come about through the unimaginable sacrifices of thousands of my people. In this passage, Nelson Mandela remembered the peoples who sacrificed their life for the freedom of South Africa. People whose suffering and courage can never be counted or repaid. I felt that day, as I have on so many other days, that I was simply the sum of all those African patriots who had gone before me. Here Nelson Mandela remembers the African patriots. That long and noble line ended and now began again with me. I was pained that I was not able to thank them and that they were not able to see what their sacrifices had wrought. Here Nelson Mandela is said, remembering that the people who sacrificed for freedom of Africa had gone. They are no more to see what they have done. Word meanings: unimaginable, which cannot be thought of. Wrought, old-fashioned, formal word, means done, achieved. Now the explanation. This equal and free country was a result of sacrifice of countless other men and women who have fought all their lives for this day. The author wishes if he could thank them all, but unfortunately they did not live to see the result of their courage. Nelson Mandela gathered his courage and power from all these people and thus wishes to make them proud. Dear students, in this video I have explained the text given up to page number 20 in your book. The explanation of the remaining text you will get in another videos. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you.